In this video we are going to check out the best 5 mini 3D printers. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones.
Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. And give me your valuable opinion.
Best of 5, Rockspace Mini 3D Printer. This 3D printer comes assembled and has been calibrated at the factory. This mini 3D printer also arrives with 2.6 ounces, 75 grams sample PLA filaments and a SD card with instructions and models. Featuring a small size but with 3.9 by 5.3 by 4.7 build area, this Ant Mini 3D printer is compact enough for any desk. The ball liner motion guides ensure the positioning accuracy and the stout sheet steel case enables the stability. Nozzle assembly designed with efficient cooling for better performance, and one more nozzle is included for replacement. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. Unlike other 3D printer, the Voxel has a quick change nozzle that allows you to change the nozzle in seconds. The removable, flexible build plate makes removing a model a breeze. Remove and flex it to dislodge the model. Easily replaceable. Can be heated to up to 60 degrees C. Assisted bed leveling makes the process of setting up the print bed as easy as a single tap to the touchscreen interface. Auto feeding with filament sensor. Built-in sensor recognizes low filament levels, pauses prints in progress until filament is reloaded. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. Da Vinci Minimaker 3D Printer. Build volume of 5.9 by 5.9 by 5.9. PLA print material. 100 to 400 microns resolution. 120 mm per second printing speed. Compact and lightweight at just 15.1 pounds. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer. The heated build plate and wide range of extruder temperatures allow this printer to work with any type of filament. Featuring a small footprint and basic, open frame design, this 3D printer is compact enough for any desk. Unlike most other low-cost 3D printers, this printer ships fully assembled and has already been calibrated at the factory. We even include a microSD card with pre-installed models, so you can start printing right out of the box. PC and Mac compatible. Compatible with Cura, Repetier, and other software. Max extruder temperature 482 degrees F. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Comgro Ender 3 3D Printer. Ender 3 has the ability to resume printing even after a power outage or lapse occurs. It comes with several assembled parts. You only need about 2 hours to assemble 20 nuts well. V-slot with palm wheels make it move noiseless, smoothly and durable. Safety protected power supply only needs 5 minutes for hot bed to reach 110. Strict testing for key components before delivery and lifetime technical supports. Check the description for best price and details.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share and comments.